Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kubleye phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Narendra Modi ne kasni ublay ula bam smai kum Myntri rang ba do kari India kablai sin linter ha kajingalang kabla long Rashtrapati Bhawan Delhi. Ka President kari ka Draupadi Murmu kalapan bam smai U Modi ringkat bari ka kinhon Myntri. Ka Cabinet 3.0 ka kentup ya sauklai ngut ki Minister ki belalong Minister teng bar ki don ru ha ka ba live khandai ngut ki beladon jing shempang kum ki Minister. Shushu ru don ki Cabinet Minister ki bedai ru ki CM but Minister ki beladon ya ki jing shempang ha ki jilla. Narendra Modi Prime Minister but bapet ru ikitanat Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, kini ki Cabinet kilong Amit Shah kum Minister katunat kampo iyeng. Rajnath Singh kum Minister of Defence, Nitin Gadkari kum Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Chirag Paswan Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport, Jyotiraditya Scindia Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region, Nirmala Sitharaman Minister of Finance, Minister of Corporate Affairs Ajay Tamta MOS, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Jagan Prakash Nadda kum Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizer, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism, Shivraj Singh Chauhan kum Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Minister of Rural Development, Nirmala Sitharaman Minister of Finance but Minister of Corporate Affairs, S.J. Shankar kum Minister of External Affairs, Manohar Lal Khattar Minister of Power but Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs, Dharmendra Pradhan Minister of Education, Rajiv Ranjit Singh Lalan Singh Minister of Panchayati Raj, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Sarbananda Sonowal Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Jwal Aram Minister of Tribal Affairs, Giriraj Singh Minister of Textile, Jyotiraditya Scindia Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region, Minister of Communication Bhupender Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Chandrasekhar Pemmasani, Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communications, S.P. Singh Baghel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism.